Here are the 9 best crypto exchanges and apps for April 2024 that offer a diverse range of features and services to cater to both novice and experienced traders. Binance, with a user-friendly interface and a wide range of cryptocurrencies available for trading, Binance remains one of the most popular exchanges globally. Coinbase, known for its simplicity and reliability, Coinbase is an excellent choice for beginners looking to buy and sell cryptocurrencies easily. Kraken, offering advanced trading features and high liquidity, Kraken is favored by experienced traders seeking robust security measures. Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is a regulated exchange known for its emphasis on security and compliance. Bittrex, with a wide selection of altcoins available for trading, Bittrex is a preferred choice for those looking to explore lesser-known cryptocurrencies. Crypto.com, known for its mobile app and diverse range of services, including staking and crypto-backed loans, Crypto.com is a comprehensive platform for managing digital assets. eToro, popular for its social trading features, eToro allows users to follow and copy the trades of successful investors, making it suitable for beginners seeking guidance. Hobby, offering a variety of trading options, including spot, margin, and futures trading, Hobby caters to both retail and institutional traders. KuCoin, known for its extensive range of cryptocurrencies and competitive trading fees, KuCoin is a favorite among traders looking for variety and affordability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, these top 9 crypto exchanges and apps offer the tools and features you need to navigate the dynamic cryptocurrency market in April 2024. Choose the platform that best suits your trading style and goals, and embark on your crypto journey with confidence.